everyone. On this week's Mondays with Megan, I have another great Excel calculation tip for you guys. So I've been trying to think about which ones are most commonly used, and I think this one will be super helpful. It is the COUNTIF. So you're going to click the equal sign and then COUNTIF and then parentheses, select your range, and then you can put in quotations what the stipulation is. So if you want to count numbers that are greater than 5, then you simply type in the greater than 5 in those quotations and your parentheses and click enter, and it'll tell you how many cells have a value greater than 5 within that column that you selected. I hope this tech tip is super helpful. As always, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me directly at megan@easyit.com. Have a great week, everyone.